So now that we've installed Tableau successfully and created our first chart, it's time to get our hands dirty with some larger datasets. So from where can we get datasets? There are various different options. If you install Tableau Desktop, then a sample Superstore dataset comes along with it. You can use that. Other options are kaggle.com and Tableau Public Resources. For this course, I will be using Superstore dataset, which comes with the Tableau Desktop installation. I will attach the link to this dataset in the description of the video. Once you have downloaded the dataset, go to your Downloads folder. You will see a file called Sample Superstore. Open it with Excel, and let's start exploring it. There are 3 sheets in total. The Orders sheet shows list of orders from a fictional superstore. Each order has several details like product name, category, subcategory, sales value, quantity, discount, etc. Please explore the dataset further to familiarize yourself. Next, we have the People sheet. This sheet has names for managers of each region. And last, we have the Return sheet. This sheet shows the orders that were returned. For initial part of the course, we will be using the Order sheet mainly. Let's have a quick look on how many rows are there in this data. In total, we have 10195 rows. We will need this number later on to validate whether we have properly imported the data into Tableau or not. Now it's time to import this data into Tableau and play around with it. I will close this Excel file and go to my Tableau. When I open Tableau, it gives me the previous chart that we made. I don't think we need it, so we can close this workbook altogether. We can open a fresh instance of Tableau Public. Here I have opened a fresh new Tableau Public workbook. By now we already know how to connect to data. In this case, we need to connect to Excel file, so I'll select Microsoft Excel, go to my Downloads folder or wherever my Superstore file is saved, and select the Superstore file. Click on Open, and we will get this screen. Let's explore this interface. On top, under Connections, it shows you the name of the file which Tableau is connected to. The next section displays the names of the sheets that your dataset has. That is Orders, People, and Returns. This means that Tableau has correctly detected the file and sheet names. Right below that, there is an option to do union. We will explore this later. Right now, we want to analyze the Orders sheet. To do that, drag the Orders table to the canvas. Once you have dragged the sheet to the canvas, Tableau shows you the snapshot of your dataset right over here. Quickly go through it to make sure Tableau has imported all the columns. I can see the columns for product name, subcategory, category, sales, quantity, discount. So this data looks pretty much okay. We also need to ensure that all the rows have been imported. Remember, we counted the total number of rows. I think it was 10194. Over here, Tableau shows the same number. It shows 21 fields and 10194 rows. Basically, fields in Tableau is equivalent to a column. So since it's showing us 21 fields or columns and 10194 rows, we can be rest assured that Tableau has imported the data correctly. Another important step at this stage is to ensure that Tableau has detected the data types of our columns correctly. Let's do that in the next video.